This is just our little handheld points file here. It's basically just a really small fine file. So if you got a set of points that are a little dirty from arcing or got a little mountain to them or a little crater, the last set I did, they were looked like a stalagmite hanging off of one of them, or stalactite, whatever it was. It was peaky up like a mountain on that points. And points file does the trick. Cleans the crap off of them a lot better than trying to use sandpaper, especially if you got little mountains growing on there. That's all it is a little file right there. There, you can see it there. That's all it is. I've had this one for, geez, I don't know, probably 40 years maybe. It still works. It's not all tore up.